Hello everyone, welcome to Enjoy Learning. Today we are going to learn how to frame questions in English. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to ask something in English but didn't know how to form the question properly? Maybe you said something like where you are going instead of where are you going. Don't worry, by the end of this lesson you will be able to ask questions confidently. Let's get started. Before we learn how to frame questions, let's understand what a question is. A question is a sentence that asks for information. It usually ends with a question mark. For example, do you like coffee? Where do you live? Now, let's discuss the different types of questions in English. Let's classify it into two types. First one, yes or no questions. And second one is WH questions. Now, let's learn yes or no questions in detail. These are questions that can be answered with yes or no. And the structure is helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. First, I will give you the answer and you try to make the question to get this answer. The answer is yes, she is a teacher. So, how do you frame the question? You might have heard people asking like this. She is a teacher, Is that the correct way of asking question? No, we already know the structure that is helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. So the correct format of this question is she a teacher? Is the helping verb, she is the subject and teacher is a main verb. Now next one, they do play football. So what is the question? Yes, the question is, do they play football? Next one. Yes, he has finished his homework. So what is the question? Correct. Has he finished his homework? Now, let's look at the list of helping verbs used for yes or no questions. You can begin the question with any of these. Do. Do you play tennis? Does. Does she play tennis? Did you play tennis? Is she playing tennis? Are they playing tennis? Was she playing tennis? Were they playing tennis? Has she played tennis? Have they played tennis? Had they played tennis? Will you play tennis? Okay, so next one, WH questions. So the format for framing WH questions is word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. The following questions start with the question word, that is WH word. Now let's examine some common WH words and their uses. Who asks about a person. Who is your best friend? What asks about a thing or action. Would you like to eat? Where asks about a place. Where do you live? When asks about a time. When is your birthday? Why asks for a reason. Why are you late? How asks about a method or condition. How do you go to school? Hope that is clear. Now let's recap. So how to frame yes or no questions. Now let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Identify the statement. Let's take a simple sentence. She likes ice cream. Step 2. Identify the helping verb. If there is no helping verb in the sentence, use do or does in the present tense and did in the past tense. Step 3. Rearrange the words to make a sentence. So the answer means the question comes like this. Does she like ice cream? Okay, we'll see more examples. You are happy. What is the question? Are you happy? They were playing. Were they playing? He can drive. Can he drive? So for framing questions with WH word, the first step is to choose the right WH word. If you are asking about a person, use who. If you are asking about a place, use where. If you are asking about a reason, use why. Step 2, use the helping verb correctly. Just like yes or no questions, we use helping verbs to form WH questions. So step 3, follow the correct sentence structure, that is WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. Examples. WH question. He goes to school at 8 a.m. When does he go to school? They live in Mumbai. Where do they live? She bought a dress. Yes, what did she buy? Now let's check some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Where you are going, is that correct? No, the correct structure is where are you going? Do she like ice cream? Is it correct? No. Does she like ice cream? Because she is singular, so we have to use does instead of to. Now it's your turn. Let's do an activity. I'll give you some sentences and you need to turn them into questions. First one, they are playing football. Make a WH question. Second one, she studies English. Make a yes or no question. Third one, he went to the market yesterday. Make a WH question. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enjoy Learning for more English lessons. Also hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class. Bye.